This is a great exercise for you to mobilize your hips. Sitting with the elbows on the floor, feet and knees together. Press your tailbone down towards the mat, just so that you have a little bit of the arch in your low back. And you're not sitting with the back curl like this. Pull the low belly in slightly. Open your legs or your knees to the sides. Stretch your legs. Bring them back into parallel. And then you bend your knees. You can also do this lying on your back. If you're lying on your back, it will look like this. Okay. Actually, both versions are great. Try to do this on your back as well as on your elbows. When you're on your elbow, you add a little bit of the upper body work. Okay, now the next one, have your legs wider apart. Drop your knees away from each other. Stretch your legs. Turn your knees inwards so that they face each other. Bend the knees. Come back into parallel. Open, stretch, roll your knees in. Okay, so now the knees are facing each other. Bend them, and your knees are together. Open. Okay? And now let's go back to the first position where we have the legs closer. We're going to reverse the movement, whereby you turn your legs out, bend the knees, come back to parallel. Stretch your legs, turn your legs out, bend the knees, come back into parallel. Okay? Remember, you can do this on your back, lying on your back, like this. It feels very good in the hips. I'm going to come back up onto my elbows again. Yeah? Okay, the next variation is having your legs wider apart. You turn your knees to face inwards. Stretch the legs, turn your knees to face outwards, and bend the knees. Knees inwards, stretch the legs, knees outwards, and bend the knees. So your legs are wider now. Turn out and bend. Okay? And this is a hip mobility exercise, which means after the exercise, you feel open, unstuck, and freer in the hip joints. After this, go for a walk and see how you feel. I bet you will feel very loose in your hips in a good way. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Bye.